How to buy Spotify Premium with Google Play balance. Hey guys, in this video I will let you know about how to buy the Spotify Premium with the Google Play balance. So first of all, go to your mobile screen, select the Play Store app, and in the Play Store app you will have to click on to this payment and subscription button, which you will find from the menu section. When you will click onto it, this screen will appear, and then you will have to click onto this payment method section. You will have to check that you have all the cards and the payment system added into your Google Play system. And after that, go to your mobile desktop and click on the Spotify app. Then you will open the Spotify app, and in the menu section you will find the settings and privacy. After clicking onto this setting and privacy, you will find this button, Go Premium. Click onto it, and after scrolling down, you will find this Get Premium Individual option. Click onto it, and here you will able to select the two different options. One is the Spotify, another is the Google Play. Click on this Google Play, and here it will show all the details which you have already added into the Google Play Store. So from here, click on to this subscribe, and if you will have the proper balance and the payment in your Google Play balance, here you will be able to make your payment by clicking onto this subscribe. And in that way, you will be able to buy the Spotify Premium with the Google Play balance. If you like this video, please subscribe this YouTube channel.